Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing your topic to a clear question. This focuses research and saves time. Once chosen, assemble 3-5 primary sources and at least 5 secondary sources and skim them for relevance. Make sure to sort notes by date, author, and type. Use a simple folder system on your computer and a physical binder. Now create a project outline with headings: Introduction, Timeline, Analysis, and Conclusion. This becomes your roadmap for the build phase. You now turn notes into structured content. Write a concise 2-paragraph introduction that states your question and thesis. Then populate the timeline with dated events and 1-sentence significance notes. This gives visual flow. Once done, draft 2-3 analytical paragraphs tying evidence to your thesis and add captions for every image or artifact. Make sure to format citations as you go to avoid last-minute scrambling, and prepare page templates for the presentation file. You finish by laying out final pages in order, placing images with captions and ensuring margins are even. Then proofread aloud for clarity, checking that every claim links to a cited source. This strengthens credibility. Export a PDF at high quality, save at least 2 backups, cloud and USB, and print a single test copy to confirm colors and spacing. If alignment or missing citations appear, revisit the source list immediately and correct before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.